Remember how bad the gnats were this summer? Well, so do the owners of Simply Soothing, the makers of an all-natural bug repellent created in the corridor.
There's only a handful of people and its family members that know how to make it.
Frida Seiko talks about the secret recipe for Bug Soother, a product she created 5 years ago and produces at the family's small facility in Columbus Junction. It was selling okay until sales exploded at the end of May.
We had no idea to project what happened this year. You know, we blew through last year's inventory in 6 days.
Frida's daughter remembers being alone in the shop when the order started pouring in the day after Memorial.
It hit and it didn't stop until a couple weeks ago.
Retailers struggled to keep Bug Soother in stock. Frida's staff had enough of the liquid, but they just couldn't secure enough bottles fast enough to put it in. Bug Soother is all natural and safe for children, but it's also being used on animals, from dogs and cows to horses and more.
Chicken will attack each other because of the blood, you know, drawn from the gnats, and then they kill each other. So we started giving it, selling it to people, and they're putting it on their chickens.
Frida likes to call herself a second wind entrepreneur. She started Simply Soothing after retiring with creams and bath products, but now 90% of her business is insect repellent. She's on track to gross about $1 million this year, mostly due to an all-natural bug lotion.
We have people, if they find out we make it, they'll hug us. Total strangers. We go out somewhere, we kind of become little mini celebrities.
Bug Soother is sold all over the country, and Frida's talking with a potential distributor for the United Kingdom. You can find it at any Ace Hardware, Casey's, Hy-Vee, Fairway, and at the company's website. We have a link on our website, fox28iowa.com. And if you know a company you would like to see